Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to log into your Plex account with Apple ID. So let's dive in straight into the video. If you're using an iOS device, then you have an option to log into your Plex account with Apple ID. So in order to do that, first open the Plex application from your app drawer and wait until the application loads up. Once it does, go to the top of the screen and tap on the sign in button. In the sign in page, you will be able to see several login options. You just want to go ahead and look for the continue with Apple option and tap on it. It'll then ask you to enter your Apple ID, or it'll ask you to go ahead and sign in with your Face ID if you're using an iOS device. Simply tap on the continue button and sign in using your Face ID if available. If not, you'll need to enter your Apple ID followed by your Apple account's password, and you'll be able to log into your Plex account using your Apple ID. So that is how you can easily log in to Plex with the Apple ID. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.